Here we are today, YouTube. This is part 2 of this iPad that we have currently worked on, in which we just got success on it right here, in which it's the iPad Wi-Fi. That was for non-payment. I'm gonna go ahead. We already made a new tab, so we're just gonna paste that right there, and then hit next. We're gonna end up making a part 3 for this right here. Yeah, because when it comes to Verizon, you have to wait for about a couple of hours after we confirm. You just have to wait for a couple of hours, because right now you can see it say available for use, in which we're just gonna go ahead and visit Swappa. So for Swappa, it's still gonna say cannot activate. Actually, it kind of cleared fast right there, so 100%, like fully cleared off. A lot of times it doesn't, like a lot of times it takes a couple of hours, but in this case, well, I guess it actually cleared off very fast. So 100%, we don't even need to make a part 3, so just this part 2 and it's all set right there. Fully cleared off. Was on the frozen, in which we did revalidate back in our portal right there. iPad 5th gen. Thank you for watching. Tune in and subscribe.